morning, it's me, Aletya Putya Deakinme from your Met Office. Listen up, you mouth-breathing statistics. Put down the blue light EMF government-tracked spy device for a second and look up into the abyss that we now call our normal skies. I'm about to ruin your morning faster than the aluminium particulates that are bypassing your blood-brain barrier, ensuring you get Alzheimer's as you get older and completely forget who is to blame. Now then, it's time for the jabbed forecast for the terminally stupid. Wipe the crust from your eyes, you TikTok-addicted sheep. You think that's a hazy sunrise halo over the ununited kingdom? That's not a celestial event. That's the sky being prepped so that the ionosphere can be bent over and violated by a 400 megawatt heater. We're broadcasting live from the cockpit of a planetary microwave, and you're all just the frozen toad in the hole, spinning in the middle of the mashed potato. The weather, don't make me puke. They want me to talk about the jet stream. Fine, it's been hijacked. It's not meandering, it's being skillfully and purposely steered, like a judge handing Peter Mandelson a not guilty verdict. These are the type of people who think your life is a worthless error. I'm standing here in front of the big map with Arthur Job, a man whose middle name is I'll finish it tomorrow. Arthur, look at the satellite feed behind us. Does that look like natural condensation to you? Or does it look like a 10-day bender of NASA products just painted the sky with a structural grey out?
Well, Aletya, I was just looking at the charts. It's definitely atmospheric. I mean, I haven't quite finished the report yet. I got halfway through the intro and then the kettle boiled. But my professional guess is that it's just, space residue.
Space residue? You absolute weapon! You're standing there guessing the Artemis II circus has already supposedly landed, so we can't blame that sky abortion on them, I'm afraid. So, you never did get round to finishing the analysis on the stratospheric circuit, did you?
Now, let's be fair. I was going to map those linear formations, but I got distracted by the shiny rocket on the telly. I reckon if we just wait a bit, the aluminium and barium will just sort of blend into the scenery. It's very aesthetic if you don't think about the breathing part.
Aesthetic? It's atmospheric warfare, you half-baked get. Look at that globe spinning behind us. It's moving faster than your brain cells trying to find a finished thought. We've got regulatory loopholes wide enough to fly a tanker through, and you're here giving us a probably.
I'm 60% sure that the sun is still up there, somewhere. I'll have a definitive answer for you by next month, or whenever I find where I put my clipboard.
By next month, we'll all be coughing up classified defence contracts. You're the reason people are so dumbed down. You wouldn't know a chemtrail if it signed its name on your forehead. And I'm going to have to be signing off in a few minutes because Arthur Job here was in charge of the auto cue but failed to finish uploading our script, so we're fucked. Thanks for almost joining us, Arthur.
Thank you.
Now then, that mist's back again. That old chestnut. Hazy fog. Oh, you think that's moisture-rich air? That's an aerosolized Lucky Dip cocktail of synthetic misery designed to keep your body from absorbing anything naturally good for you. So who or what can we blame? El Nino, they say. Blame El Nino. More like El Geoengineerio by a bunch of cuntios. Stop saying it. It's not a climatic cycle. It's a convenient label for a defense contractor that's literally cooking the Pacific to see how much natural energy variability they can hit the planet with before the fucking ocean begins to boil. You're still fucking begging for a politician or some party to save you and the planet that's being actively dismantled by the very people selling you the solution. They aren't saving the Earth, they're putting a future system in place to guarantee that future citizens will be paying for the electricity to power your own cages going forward. So there you have it. I have been Aletya Putya Deakinme. Now shove your head back into your phone, scroll to the next dead-eyed trend, and try not to choke on the metallic tang of your inevitable extinction. Don't forget, if you watched it, then share it for others to enjoy. Unless you want to go back to a less unhinged forecast, of course. To make sure that doesn't happen, you can show some love for Liam Stoneley. in all the right places. Now get out of my sight. The air is only authorized for breathing for another 10 minutes. Don't waste it. Bye for now.